At the end of this video, you will know how you can earn money from watching videos online. All you need to do is to go to this website that I will tell you about. This website is called GrabPoints.com. It is an online platform that allows people to earn free gift cards. It is also a platform that pays people for doing certain tasks. Try to click their website to see their homepage. Basically, you can get paid for answering surveys, completing offers, and watching videos on this site. In this video, we will focus on watching videos to earn money online. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see how you can make money online. Make sure that you finish this video so that you will know the step-by-step process of this incredible online technique. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Look at this, a lot of brands worldwide are trying to increase their online engagements. They want their products to reach as many people as possible. Now, this site will get you these offers. Of course, you will earn money from watching videos, answering surveys, and downloading applications to test them on your phone. They will pay you for doing these simple things. This site's withdrawal amount is only $5. As soon as you earn this amount, you will be able to withdraw money through PayPal, Amazon gift card, or free Visa gift cards. There are also payment options that you can choose to redeem your earnings. Another great thing about this site is that you can earn money wherever you are. There are a lot of people from all over the world who are using this site to get paid online. To sign up, you just need to follow these simple steps. First, you need to enter your email address right here. You also need to think of a unique password that you will type here. After that, you just need to click the sign up button. Once you are on your own dashboard, this is what you will see. It says that you can answer various surveys to earn money. Now, the list of surveys that you can answer is unending. Thus, you have unlimited earning opportunities. Try to scroll down below. You will see that there are also special offers that they are giving you. Take note that when you answer and do these offers, you will get more money from them. You can press the More Offers button to see the things that are available to your country. On the left side of the screen, there is a category button. This part of the site will allow you to earn points that you can convert into real money. Now, go ahead and click the watch to begin earning money from watching videos. It will say, Get Started with Video. Under that, there is also a button that you can click to see the instructions on how you can earn money from watching videos. Do not worry because the process is not complicated. You can do this even without any expertise or experiences. Now, let's proceed with an example. You can choose any of these. For this video, we will choose Lootably. The site will redirect you to another page where you can see the list of videos that you can watch. In a few minutes, I will share with you some of my secret strategies on how I can triple my earnings on this site. So stay tuned and do not exit the video for more exciting tips and hacks. Aside from GrabPoints, there is also another amazing website that I use to earn money online. It is called InboxDollars.com. Some of you have heard about this website before. For those who are new, this website is an amazing one. InboxDollars.com is a platform where you can make cash for doing some activities online. You can get paid for watching online videos, answering surveys, and playing free games. See, we also do these activities online. It's time to monetize our daily activities by visiting these sites. There is also an option to earn money by shopping online and reading emails. This is really an awesome site. As you can see, they have already released more than $80 million in cash rewards for people who are using this website. Aside from that, I can prove its legitimacy by saying that a lot of trusted brands worldwide in retail and market research are partnering with this site. As you can see, big brands such as Netflix, Target, Walmart, and many more have partnered with InboxDollars. It will be easy to earn money from this site. InboxDollars allows its members to influence the engagements of their products and services by offering various tasks. They also present amazing promos and contests that their members can try to participate in to win money. Aside from that, this site shares some of the most amazing ways on how their members can get free products from their partner brands. They will tell you how you can get free printable coupons and other online stuff. There are many easy ways on how you can make extra cash from this site. To get started on this site, you just need to scroll down on their page until you see the purple sign up button. You will also see their announcement that states that you will get an instant $5 for signing up on their site. Their minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Thus, you are already halfway near to your first InboxDollars withdrawal. You can get your first payout as soon as you make another $5. At this point, I will share with you my secret strategy to earn money passively from the websites that I told you about. The next website that I recommend you to check out is called AdWallet. You will be rewarded for watching videos from famous brands all over the world. You just need to watch their videos for a few minutes and you can earn up to $3 for doing so. You can create your AdWallet account on your phones or desktops. Once you are done, you can see the amount that you have earned on your dashboard. You will also receive notifications if there are new videos that you can watch online. It is a really simple procedure. You just need to watch a video to get rewarded for doing so, and to repeat the process again and again to earn money online. When you have at least $10 on your online account, you can request for payouts to get your money. It is really an amazing way of earning money online. So just click the Let's Get Started button to start your online money making journey. You can also opt to sign up through this button at the top right corner of the screen. Once you press that, you will be redirected to another page where you are encouraged to enter your name, zip code, and date of birth. You also need to accept the site's term of services. Just complete the I am not a robot test and press the create your account button afterwards. Once you are done creating your account, you can now log in. With these websites, you can start earning real money now. So, what are you waiting for? Get started and sign up these amazing websites online. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.